Reduce your consultations.
I wish you could listen to me.
Honorable members.
Honorable Speaker, I was saying that if you go to standing order to Article 152, sub-Article 9 of the Constitution, and for the avoidance of doubt, Honorable Speaker, it says if the select committee reports that it finds the allegations A, unsubstantiated, no further proceedings shall be taken, or B, substantiated, the National Assembly shall proceed in the manner prescribed. Honorable Speaker, I want to remind the House that Parliament can act on its own in the plenary or through its committees. Honorable Speaker, the select committee that is envisaged under Article 152 of the Constitution is one of such committees. The select committee is a committee of the House.
Honorable Minority Leader.
And as I conclude,
you are actually out of order.
Okay, I'm just concluding.
You are out of order.
I just want to plead with you, Honorable Speaker. Just 1 second, or 1 minute.
Okay, take that 1 second, but you are out of order.
That the Honorable Speaker, if you undertake a purposive interpretation of the Constitution, understanding orders, I want you to find that what is envisaged under Article 152, sub-Article 9, is that the decision of the Select Committee shall be subjected to the vote of this House. That whatever decision the Select Committee arrives at must be validated by the full House. That is the import of Article 152, sub-Article 9.
Honorable Wandayi. First, you are out of order in anticipating debate. I did guide the House that I have been informed reliably that the report is ready. The report has not even been tabled. The Speaker has not seen it yet. After the next 1 or 2 orders, the Speaker will retreat to the back chamber and look at the report. It cannot be tabled without the Speaker ascending to it. Once I am satisfied and I assent to it, then it will be tabled. Secondly, that will be done within the next less than 1 hour. Secondly, and Guna, you are out of order in interjecting when the Speaker is on his feet. Secondly, what the Minority Leader is trying to bring to the attention of the House is water way under the bridge. The House already debated a motion, and the outcome of that motion was the setting up of the Select Committee. Unlike in the Senate, where in their standing orders, they provide that the House can elect to prosecute such a matter, particularly in relation to the impeachment of the governor, the deputy governor. It may elect to prosecute that impeachment motion through a select committee of the House or through the House sitting as plenary. That provision is not available to this House. This House, what is available in your own standing orders, is to have a select committee, which we put in place. That is where the minister appeared with his lawyer, from what I was reading, and that is where the prosecution was conducted. Now, when the report comes to the House, if the matter is found by the committee to be unsubstantiated, it ends there, dead on arrival. If the committee says the matter has substance, Then level 2